Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It's been a while, we haven't spoken much about the upcoming Tejas fighter jets which are being manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. In this video, I would be providing details about the engine which is going to power the 83 LCA Tejas which were ordered by Indian Air Force. If we quickly revisit the engine requirement for India, according to the sources, 40 Tejas Mark 1 and 83 Tejas Mark 1A, which were ordered recently, will be powered using F404G IN20 afterburning engines. There would be another order placed for F414G INS6 afterburning engine, which is sourced for 200 Tejas Mark II fighter jets. Coming to the AMCA program, it is also confirmed that 40 AMCA Mark 1 will be powered using F414 GEINS6 afterburning engine till a locally developed afterburning engine is ready for AMCA Mark 2. Even though France made fresh efforts and pitched its proposal for co-developing the Kaveri engine for the Indian Light Combat Aircraft program, it was not considered for the 83 LCA Tejas for which the Indian Air Force placed an order. Coming back to the status of engine deal signing in India, it looks like the negotiations with General Electric are almost over and India will shortly place an order for 100 plus F404G IN20 engines, which is said to be worth 700 million US dollars approximately. The F404G IN20 is the highest rated F404 model and includes a higher flow fan, increased thrust, a full authority digital electronic control system, single crystal turbine blades, and a variety of single engine features. The F404 fighter engine family is one of the most successful in military aviation history, and more than 4,000 F404 engines power a number of combat aircraft flown by the United States Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, plus countries throughout Europe, Asia, and Africa. Till now, the General Electric has no local facility in India where engines can be overhauled, nor are they licensed manufactured in India. India has to ship these engines to General Electric Aviation Factory in the United States when they are due for major overhaul or in case it suffers from some core damage. So let's hope India places an order with General Electric at the earliest and help HAL to finish manufacturing the pending orders of Tejas fighters. According to me, Indian defense industry should expedite the indigenous engine development and successfully come up with a locally developed engine at the earliest. Stay tuned for more defense and aviation updates by 10 Slide Info. Thank you.